Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make a route plan on the OMV Stations application to a nearby OMV station. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app on your phone. Go to your homepage and tap on the first button in the left side column of the screen, OMV Stations Around Me. Here you can find a map containing all of the nearby OMV stations indicated with this OMV icon, so tap on the relevant one that you are interested in. And if you want to check out it on the map and how you can get there and would like to plan your route there, tap on this button in the right side at the top in the middle and click on either route or Google Maps. Here you can find your current position and then the route how you can get there. You can also open it in the Google Maps by tapping on it, click on open, and you can check out how you can get there. It might need a few seconds till it loads in. Here you can see how much time it takes to get there. You can tap on the start button and start your journey there. So you can also search within it. As you can see, search along the route. You can unmute the GPS and so on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys.